Oo.
Babae dito nga nangutan na kami babasa ko ni Jay nga. Wala ko kami don't ask me. No, like yeah, that's my makano. And then I have a boyfriend. We're lasting for so long.
Wow.
But I'm not there. Your heart is missing.
Sana all.
Hindi na po kukuha ba? Kaya may langoy, pinaka-months ko magkakaroon may langoy, Jane.
Ha?
Pinaka-months ko langoy.
1 month or maybe 3 months. Kay mukulo trabaho ng tuloy ana.
Ha?
Mukulo. Mubotol.
Wala kayo pinaka-months.
I don't know. Hindi ko sure. I don't want to
Kaya ko
cook.
na siguro basta kay conditioner. I think 5 months is okay.
Kinumo dong. Basta giningaw kag kinumo ni ate ha.
I want to...
Ma sige lag mo nang di ko ganahan yung mata.
Pagpuyo na daw, pagpuyo. Pagpuyo na ba, pagpuyo?
Ayaw jud ko pala. Di na jud ko mo palit ni magduang buang ka.
Dali.
Gubon ra nimo. Things haven't been normal here for a while, so it's ice.
Nagsa na ako.
They have a accident again here in Panglao, guys,
Mahal, dali, mahal.
because of the boat. The boat is kuan. Unsa gali be? Right, they have an accident earlier. The boat is sinking, right?
Ha?
The boat is sinking, right? In Panglao. They have an accident. It's really the wind. It's really crazy here in Panglao. Maybe it's so. Finally, ang gaan sa busa. She's gone. Na na na. Na na na. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Mga bata kay mga single.
Go pa man ko. Some people want it all, my heart just they nothing at all. Doing nothing when I'm with you. Some people like a diamond ring. Ah 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 ah. She's gone. She's gone. She's gone. She's gone. Whoa. Suma and all with you and all in all. Na 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 say na 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 not at all. What are you and Lani doing tonight and plans? What is our plan tonight, Lani? Lani!
Yes.
They have someone asking like, what is our plan tonight?
Ha?
What is your plan?
Live?
What is your plan tonight?
Plan tonight?
Yeah.
Bed.
She want to lying in the bed and sleep. What's our plan tomorrow? Tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow,